everyone, welcome back to Get Reading with Bryce. Today we're going to be unboxing these super cool, sorry everyone, that was my sister. And these are these regular Rubik's Cubes, and these are the big Rubik's Cubes. We have our special guest starring Kendall and Miles. Say hi to the viewers, guys.
Hi.
So the first thing we're going to be unboxing is the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Stop. Okay. And these are instructions on how to solve it. And let's see how it looks like in person. Or video.
Oh, Bryce, look how cool this looks. Oh, it has the instructions too.
Oh my gosh, Miles. I'm sorry. I apologize, everyone. Just my little brother.
I just want to open it.
Miles, you better not open that. Oh my gosh. And it looks like it's already solved all the way. And here are the instructions on how to solve them.
Okay, let Bryce finish up.
And this one is the 3x3 Rubik's
Kendall,
Cube.
do not open that.
Is the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's like these. You can mix it up like this. And oh my,
I can solve this so fast.
this is it. That's cool. The next one is the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And as you can see, my little brother already mixed it up.
That's hard to solve.
And now our top two Rubik's Cubes. Our first top,
Rubik's Cube.
our two top, our first one is this pyramid.
So hard.
And as you can see, it is a big Rubik's Cube.
Is me?
No, I'm just kidding. You can see after. You can see at the end of the video.
Okay.
And just make this the Rubik's this Rubik's.
Opened it. Kendall, you weren't supposed to open it. Give it to
Yes,
Bryce.
you're not supposed to open it. Okay, now it's time for this bad boy. And now we're gonna try to mix it up, like completely mix it up. Let's see.
Let's see what this makes. I mixed it up. Well, it's not mixed. It's mixed. It's hard to solve.
Boom.
This is so hard to solve.
And as you can see, bye everyone. Make sure to subscribe and help us reach up to 600 subscribers. See you next time. See ya.